Create a social media calendar in Airtable. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a social media calendar in Airtable. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open Airtable. Go to the Templates section and choose the Social Media Calendar template from the template gallery. Click Use Template and it will load a base with preset fields like post date, platform, status, and caption. Customize the fields based on your needs. You can add fields like image attachment, campaign name, or post type. Switch to the calendar view to visualize your posting schedule. It helps you spot content gaps and maintain consistency. Drag and drop posts to change dates easily, and update the status column to keep track of drafts, scheduled, or published content. Use filters to view posts for specific platforms like Instagram or LinkedIn. You can also invite team members to collaborate and assign tasks or deadlines using the Collaborator field. Enable notifications so you never miss a posting day, and use Airtable's mobile app to track your schedule on the go. And that's how you can set up a powerful social media calendar in Airtable. Stay organized and consistent. That's all for the video.